We're going to graph this quadratic in standard form, so we need to find that middle value, which means we need to know our values for a and b. I'm going to mention C while we're at it. The value for a is 3, b is -6, c is just 1. And to find that middle value, that vertex, we're going to use that formula opposite of b over 2a. And we're going to write that down every time we use it at first. And in our heads, we're going to say opposite of b over 2a. The opposite of b is 6. If I double a, that's also 6. 6 divided by 6 is 1. That is the middle value of my table. Just before 1 becomes 0, and then -1, and then 2 and 3. These numbers will be plugged in for x in the function. I'm going to definitely put them in parentheses, but put the square on the outside of the parentheses, like this. Get out the old calculator, which I already plugged them all in. But this one popped out a 10. 3, 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 1. And what came out when I did that was a 1. I'm going to pause the video and fill in the rest of this table. You should pause it too and try to fill in the table. Once you have it filled in, unpause it and see if we agree. Pausing now. So just to finish this up, I have the very last entry. I did that whole trick where I highlighted. I'm going to replace all these 2's with a 3. And I expect to see this same number popping out because of the symmetry. And let's see if I'm right. Oh, hooray. I'm right. That's a 10. And now we're going to plot these points. There's nice symmetry in the table. These match. These match. That's a good sign because I didn't mess anything up. I got the right middle value. The point -1, 10 is up here. The point 0, 1 is here. The point 1, -2 is here. 2, 1, 3, 10. And it's a nice U-ish shape. Very skinny, facing up. The x-intercepts, they're too gross to find with the current math we know. At some point I will teach you how to find those, but they're going to be pretty nasty numbers. So that was an oversight on my notes. The y-intercept is wherever x is 0, or looking at the graph, excuse me, where it crosses that y-axis, that's at 1. And the vertex, we found the x value right away. We knew that was going to be 1, and then we had to do all this math to find the y value of -2. So we're again using the opposite of b over 2a to find the middle value, building our table off of our middle value, expecting to see symmetry in the grid. And if that all works out, things are good. Good luck.